First, let's welcome on board Sudeep Shah from SBI Securities joining us on the show. Sudeep, hi. Seems like a bit of a consolidation. Not, high volumes, not great momentum at this point of time.
Good afternoon, Anisha. Yeah, right. It's what we're noticing in the index today morning is that markets are in Nifty is trading in plus minus 20-25 point band, and that is quite obvious and quite okay after such a big up move. The index is trying to consolidate at higher levels. Now, yesterday we have seen Bank Nifty also crossing and surpassing its previous lifetime high, and it's now managing to sustain above that. So I feel we can see this consolidation going in for another day or two, and then we could see another leg up on the upside. So overall, what I feel is that 18,530, 18,500 zone will now act as a strong support because we are seeing some decent amount of put writing happening in 18,500 as well as today 18,600 is also witnessing some put writing. So 18,500, 530 will act as a strong support. On the upside, I feel the first level that index could witness is 18,680, 18,700. And beyond that, then a race to the lifetime high once again. So that is as it stands right now. 18,500, 530 will act as a strong support.
Soumit Sarkar here. What would be your stock specific recommendations?
Soumit, the first recommendation that I have today is Hindustan Aeronautics Limited (HAL). Now we've seen this stock since last 7-8 months. It's in a structural uptrend. There is an intermediate corrections do come, but those corrections are always bought into. Say around 13-day exponential moving average always acts as a support. This time also, post that move to 3150 index has the HAL has retested this 2980 3000 mark, which was its 13-day exponential moving average, and post that once again we are seeing a uptick today. Even BEL is showing some positive signs. So I feel HL from the current levels can be bought with 3050 stop loss and 3200 target. Now the second pick would be Dalmia Bharat. Now we're seeing some momentum shift in cement stocks since last few days, and today Dalmia Bharat has given a breakout of the downward sloping channel that it was trading into since last 10 to 12 sessions, and this breakout is backed with volumes and a rising open interest. So I feel from the current levels, the stock can be bought with 2090 stop loss and a 2180 target on the upside.
So that's a take coming in on a couple of these cement counters. Of course, we have been discussing how there seems to be the price hike which has been absorbed for the month of May, and there could be more in the month of June, but we'll chat a bit more about that. But Sudeep, before I let you go, wanted to get a sense from you from a couple of these counters which are buzzing in the trading session. JSW Energy on the upside, and on the losing side, Jubilant Pharmova. What's happening there?
Anisha, JSW Energy has been trying to trying to make a bottom somewhere around 200, 220, 30 marks in the last 2-3 months. However, I feel that still the stock is not out of the woods. It is still in a downtrend, and only across about 275 to 80 will mean that the short-term downtrend in the stock is over, and then the stock can be bought on dips. Because right now, even though we are seeing today it is up 4.5%, but generally these rises are met with selling pressure at higher levels, and unless and until the 200 DMA, which is around 280 to 280 zone, does not cross, I don't think so that the stock will have any major upside. It might give us 3-5% moves here and there, but structural uptrend I feel would only come in place when it is about 280. The second stock which you said is Jubilant Pharmova. Now that stock is in a complete downtrend. Selling pressure at higher levels is always witnessed, and I feel till the time 360, 370 does not cross on this stock, we might see the stock heading towards 280, 290 levels in the next few weeks to come. So overall, the trend of the stock is negative, and I feel we should not be doing bottom fishing in this stock. And if someone is holding it, rises should be used to exit, and the money can be shifted into some other outperforming stock.
Well, thank you, Sudeep, for all that information.